The event will started shortly, so if someone is joining, please tell them to join.
Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to the closing ceremony of East India's largest robotics fest, Takshak' 2021, From Thought to Reality, organized by RoboISM, the Robotics and AI Club of IIT ISM Dhanbad. I am Janvi Singh, a sophomore at IIT ISM Dhanbad and member at RoboISM, along with my co-host Ayush Tripathi, a pre-final at IIT ISM Dhanbad and a core team member at RoboISM. On behalf of the entire team Takshak, would like to welcome our guests for the evening. Honorable Chief Guest, Dean Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship, Dr. Dheeraj Kumar Sir, Faculty in Charge Takshak and RoboISM, Professor Arun Dayal Uday Sir, all prestigious alumni, college mates and participants. All the participants put in tremendous amounts of effort. We witnessed great competitiveness in the span of these 5 days. It was wonderful to see so many people not only being so positive and cheerful, but also being tremendously proactive. Takshak was organized from 2nd to 6th of October. Packed with a variety of events, tech talks, and workshops, the fest turned out to be a huge success. We conducted 5 competitions. Navyantra for pitching innovative ideas, Utkranti to see designing skills, Vichesta testing raw skills, Krutak involving IoT and ML, and Ishana involving computer vision. We witnessed massive participation in all of the competitions with participants from all around the world. A lot of innovative ideas were brought forth in these competitions. Participants of Navyantra came up with amazing solutions such as an interface that helps the blind and dumb people in typing using a combination of just 10 keys, a robot that can rescue a child from an abandoned borewell, a door that indicates whether social distancing norms of COVID-19 are being violated or not in a given room, an innovative medkit that can test and analyze urine for 6 different parameters, tracks diabetes and monitors cardio-related parameters in real time, etc. Utkranti's team involved a robot that should be capable of navigating through rough terrains and be prepared for any unexpected situations that may arise. For Vichesta, the theme was to develop and refine a path planning algorithm that would allow a robot to navigate in the given environment. There were hurdles to avoid and tasks to accomplish before the bot finally reached the end goal. Krutak participants had to design an IoT solution to keep track of kitchen inventory. The solution had to be scalable, practical, and easy to use. Another problem statement involved the design of a pen that gets connected to one's PC or a handheld device, such that everything written using the pen is made available on the connected device. For Ishana, the participants had to provide the starting and destination points at regular intervals for a car in a high tension situation. A lot of effort and love brought Takshak to where it is today. And we are sure that it will get bigger every year. Let's keep improving ourselves and meet again with higher challenges and greater goals. Now we would like to hear a few lines from our chief guest, Dean Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship, Dr. Dheeraj Kumar Sir, on the event.
Yeah, thanks, Janvi, and very good evening to all my dear students, participants, alumni, and faculty in charge of this Robo IIT Club. Yes, we could witness some of the events of your Takshak'. The events were quite marvelous, quite interesting events. You could conduct maybe workshops, tech talks, tech competitions, and there are lots of takeaway from the events which you have organized in last 1 week program. I must congratulate the entire team of Robo IIT ISM, the Robo team of IIT ISM for conducting such a marvelous event. I don't have much knowledge on robotic, but yes, we have been seeing some of the applications of robot in mining industry as such. You know, the world largest industrial application of robot is a drag line, which is being operated in one of the mines in Queensland. And that drag line is a 3,500 ton drag line. That means the drag line is scooping in one go 3,500 tons of rock in one go, and that is being operated by a robot. So I could understand the application of robot in that way. And this was invented in 2000 itself. And since then, the robot is playing a game changer in mining industry as such. Of course, in India, we have started using robot in at very sort of maybe in last 1 or 2 years, but in foreign countries, robots are very much in use in mining applications as well. I give one more example of Kiruna iron ore mine in Sweden. And that mine is the world's largest iron ore underground mine. And that mine is completely automated mine. Each and every machines are robotic machines, maybe drilling machine or blastings, the loading, hauling, and dumping. Everything is done by robots. So you can understand the massive application of robots. When I'm talking about these things, you know, you might have been listened by the director in the inaugural session that we have been mandated by government of India to head cyber physical system application in mining industry, not in country, but outside the country also. And when I talk about the application of cyber physical system, it encompasses both RoboISM for mining industry as well as application of AI/ML and IoT setups. Professor Arun Dayal is your faculty advisor. We had a long discussion with him, and I'm quite sure your team will be certainly supporting Professor Dayal, who will be taking up a project in this technology innovation hub, which I have just spoken about, which has a mandate of application of robotic systems in mining. And we don't have any dearth of fund. Fund is available with us. The only thing that has to be a zeal and there has to be a dedication. And I'm quite sure the way you people have organized this event, Takshak' and your robot team, we are very much delighted to announce here that if your team comes forward under the leadership of your faculty advisor, we can certainly sponsor some sort of funding to get some robotic application developed for mining sector in country. And we will help you out in getting the application tried and tested at mine sites, particularly in open cast mine sites. Underground mining had certain difficulties, certain sort of restrictions are there, but in surface mines, open mines, you can develop some robotic applications, and for that funding for internship or hardware, software, everything will be made from TechSmith. And my CEO, Mr. Naresh, might have spoken somewhere in some forum in your Takshak', might have given some sort of his own sort of requirement and offering from TechSmith. I endorse whatever Mr. Naresh might have spoken to you all. Other than that, other than mining applications, you might have got some challenging, innovative problems and their solutions in your 6 long day event. And if you find that some of the events are requiring further fund, or some of the grand innovative problems or their solutions, they require further fund for development of their prototype or conversion of prototype to a realistic world, then we have a center, you know, that's the Naresh Center for Tinkering and Innovation. They also have substantial funding donated by one of our alumni. So from that pool of fund also we will support Takshak', Team Takshak' or Robo Club and their innovative ideas application. One more thing, you have just completed this 6 days long event. I will request you to have one more event getting conducted. Let the event be a grand challenge event. It will be inter-IIT competition on this robo applications. Complete funding support will be from Naresh Research Center. So with these few words, once again, I congratulate the entire team of Robo IIT ISM Club, and let's hope that much more will come in the near future, and IIT ISM will also be known for a Robo Center in the country. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for those words. I would now like to invite the faculty in charge of Takshak and RoboISM, Professor Arun Dayal Uday, sir.
Hello, everyone. I hope I am audible. Thanks, Professor Dheeraj, for extending your arms for us. Definitely, we are quite fortunate to get funds. Funds nowadays, we all know it's very difficult with DST and many other places nowadays due to COVID and many other reasons. But still, I know we are quite fortunate to have you in our campus itself when you are openly inviting all the students for internship and those things now. Yes, for that, thanks a lot. And regarding this event, I have personally witnessed at least two events very closely when I personally scrutinized few of the projects, some of the best which I feel could be was given some little credit also. I think the Borewell one, I don't know where did they stand after all the juries put their marks in. Okay, so yeah, that was the really fine and very good. People have attempted quite good projects now. I see they are quite mature at times. They can be as good as a product also. And I see our students also were getting in too far off from their regular UG/PG projects. They are putting their minds into IoT and those upcoming areas also. So I was personally feeling, yes, now at least 2-3 years, I should be quite comfortably sitting and getting my students flow for my projects, and upcoming lab is there also. So I think we have enough of students to take care of those activities as well. My vision is to bring up industrial robotics into campus and in Jharkhand area, and this area especially where Jharkhand is struggling for robotics and many other things. I feel now with this event, I could at least see very closely, yes, we have credits. We have so many students who are actually working on those areas. We just have to direct them well so that they will come in. Unfortunately, they are sitting quite far off from us, but nothing to not to mention, actually it is not within our hands. We are unfortunate, but yes, we are trying to manage with things. Okay, sometimes I have given even my UG projects, all the projects that can be done remotely also. We'll try to continue in that mode for at least few days more, when at least I have fourth year students with me. Thanks to Professor Dheeraj, jury members who apart from me have also put their time, effort to judge my students and student teams from various institutions. Thanks to coordinators, thanks to all the team, my own team, congratulations to them, and participants also who have made this event a huge success. It was really very challenging. I didn't know how it would all go on. Means on online no mode, none of us are experienced. We all know that it is very difficult to manage thing, handling so much of huge fund. I don't know how it will go further also, because lot many paper works are still remaining. Yes, I know they will do it. And with that, I think I have said enough. Yes, my visions are going to be live now, I feel, with this event closing. Thank you, everyone. That's all. Thanks.
Words. Those meant a lot to the team of Takshak and surely the participants. Now, let me share the screen. I'm sharing my screen. Please wait. Is it visible?
Yes, Ayush.
Yes.
Is the presentation screen visible?
No, it is not.
I hope it's visible now.
Yes, it is.
Yes. So now it's time for the most awaited moment, the moment for which you have done so hard work, made sacrifices, had lots of hours of discussion, meetings, and sleepless nights. Yes, the moment to award your determination, your will to do something without raising any further whirlpool of guesses in your minds. And let me bring an end to this suspense and announce the winners of our first competition, Ishana. This competition involved users of computer vision and and its skills. The second runner-up is ML enthusiast from IIT Indore, consisting of Kshitiz M. Bhatt, Bhavya Dalal, and Tanishq Selot. These are BTech second year students of IIT Indore. The runner-ups, Team Hive Mind from IIT ISM Dhanbad, involving members Janvi Singh, Arjun PS, and Sayyid Arib. And the winners of this competition, iCode from NIT Rourkela, Mr. Rishabh Agrawal. Congratulations to all the winners. They surely have put a lot of efforts and deserve the win. Now, I will announce the winners of the next competition, that is Krutak, which involved use of IoT and ML in the competition. The participants have put off lots of effort and have shown different designs which are working and have great principles. Without further ado, let me announce the winners. So the second runner-up is Unplugged from IIT ISM Dhanbad, consisting of Arjun PS, Piyush Kumar Satyapati, and Prachi Singh. The runner-ups are Binary Bombers from IIT ISM Dhanbad, namely consisting of Saksham Dwivedi and Neeraj Anand. And the winner is the Team Fusion from VIT Chennai. He's a solo winner, Trushank Patel. Next, I will announce the winners of competition Vichesta, which was a competition testing ROS innovation and design skills involving path planning and obstacle avoidance. The second runner-up for this competition is Team Cybernauts from IIT BHU Varanasi, consisting of Aryaman Gupta, Chahak Jethani, Sandeep Ghosh, Dhruv Agrawal. And the second runner-up is Protobot, again from IIT BHU Varanasi, consisting of Varat Vinayak Pandey, Utkrisht Kumar Singh, Gujula Level Srini Rohan, and Vaibhav Tripathi. And now it's time for the winners. They are Team Ross Manipal from Manipal Institute of Technology, consisting of Pranjal Mishra, Shah Agrawal, and Orthan Gomes. Now, let me announce the winners of the competition Utkranti. The objective of this theme was to design an original project model and simulate it in a CAD. The second runner-ups are a team aggressor from IIT ISM Dhanbad, consisting of Anshuman Tejasvi, Rajat Rai, and Suman Ranjan. The runner-ups are CAD and Pi from NIT Puducherry, and consisting of Bhav Sagar and Shiva. And the winners of this competition are Daizin from IIT ISM Dhanbad, consisting of Hiram Dakshaman, Dhruv, and Muntaba Khan. Congratulations to all the winners, and I would like to put your hands together for them for their efforts and all the work they have put in to win win all the competitions. And they have won. The second runner-ups have won a cash prize of rupees 3,000 and goodies worth 2,000. And the runner-ups have won a cash prize of rupees 5,000 and goodies worth rupees 2,000. And the winners have won a cash prize of rupees 9,000 and goodies worth 2,000. Now, I will announce the winners of the last competition, that is Navyantra. The goal of this theme was to provide platform and promote the innovative ideas of young minds. And the second runner-up is Unplugged from IIT ISM Dhanbad, consisting of Arjun PS, Piyush Kumar Shatapati, and Prachi Singh. They have won a cash prize of rupees 5,000 and goodies worth 2,000. The runner-ups are Team Phoenix from Government College of Technology, Coimbatore, consisting of Naren Karunathi, Varsini S, and Deepan. They have won a cash prize of rupees 8,000 and goodies worth rupees 2,000. Now, I will announce the winners of this competition. There are Toride Innovus from SA Engineering College, Gokul Balu. They have won a cash prize of rupees 12,000 and goodies worth rupees 2,000. All the competition winners. Now we have some winners from the workshops that we have conducted by Altair. The winners are they have won goodies, and the winners are Shashwat Jain, Hiram Dakshini Murthy, Pranjal, Aniket Kumar Roy, Harshit Sharma, Shashwat Srivastav, Aman Pandey, Shivangi Anand, Arjun PS, Karan Soni, Janvi Singh, Shobit Kumar, Ayush Gupta, Kartike, Aman Kanojia. Now we will announce the winners of a fun and exciting event which we conducted, which was a competition of a game called Valorant. And the winners are the second runner-up is four of girls from National Institute of Fashion and Technology, Bangalore. The runner-up is Team Diamond from IIT ISM Dhanbad, and the first position goes to Team GTR from MIT Noida. And event in the same theme is of Battleground Mobile India, conducted as a game event, and witnessed lot of teams and competition. It was a huge success, and we have the winners of them. The third position goes to Never Back Down from IIT ISM Dhanbad. The second position goes to ARP Rating 00 from IIT Guwahati. And the winners of this competition is Giant Dinner from Thapar Institute of Technology, Engineering and Technology. Thank you. That was the list of all the winners from of different competitions and the workshops and the game events that we conducted throughout the Takshak'. These are the campus ambassadors of different colleges. congratulations. Now I would like the coordinator, Mr. Sur Prakash Mishra, coordinator of RoboISM and organizing team member of Takshak', to share with us the journey and the creation of Takshak'.
Good evening, everyone. We are really grateful to all of you for joining in here for the closing ceremony of East India's largest robotics fest, Takshak'. Yeah, you heard that correct, because Takshak' Robotic Fest saw over more than 2,500 participants and 750 teams, over 5 different events, each of different sub-disciplines of robotics and prerequisites from all over the country. So that has been a really wonderful week for us, and that you showed so much of enthusiasm. The heartwarming support from that we received from our director, sir, and all the dean from all the dean, starting from Dean Academic, Dean Student Welfare, and Dean Innovation. Especially a really great thank you for Professor Arundal Uday, because without him this event wouldn't have seen the light of the day. To talk about the events, the inspiring tech talks of the RoboBus series were also very well focused on inspiring students and passionate people about learning and diving deep into different subjects revolving around robotics. The workshop gave a hands-on experience to all of us of the basic skills required in robotics. And finally, I hope everyone had a lot of fun in the gaming nights. With this, I would like to hand over the stage to Aditya Garg, co-coordinator of RoboISM, who looked over all the operations of Takshak' and really made it till today, and really ensured that this event would be a success. So yeah, please, Aditya.
Thank you, Surya. Thank you for introducing me. I would like to first of all thank Director Sir for giving us opportunity to organize Takshak'. It was a really great 5 days. Without the allowance of the admin section, we would not have been made this event so successful. Now I would like to thank Dheeraj sir for first of all coming to the closing ceremony of the event. And other than that, RoboISM will be very happy to do project for IIT ISM Dhanbad, as well as all the mining sector and all the projects we would be very happy to do under instructions of Arun Dayal sir and Dheeraj sir. It will be a great opportunity for us. We'll be surely looking forward to do that. Other than that, I would like to thank Professor M.K. Singh sir, respected DSW, respected Pankaj Mishra sir. I would like to thank him as well. I would like to thank M. Rakesh Singh sir, because he was a great help in the whole event, as he is our Associate Dean in Student Activities. And other than that, I would like to thank Professor Arun Dayal sir. As Surya said, without his help and without his path, we would not have been made this event possible. Other than that, I would also like to thank our sponsors, Surat sir from AGS Technologies, CEO of AGS Technologies, Professor Dheeraj sir, and Naresh Soni sir from Texmin, who was our sponsor for Utkranti event, GitHub, Ramesha sir from Altair, Pranshu sir from Brick Battle Labs, who were our jury and took 3 important workshops for our participants. Other than that, I would also like to thank all our participants, because if the participant would not have been there, we would not be able to make this event such a big event. 2,500. We have never expected such a big number. We were thinking of something like 250, and you made 10 times, right? So other than that, I would also like to thank our all coordinator and event head teams, and last but not the least, our juniors. They made the thing possible. Without their efforts, it would not have been possible a bit. So thank you all the juniors. Thank you the juniors of RoboISM, all the CRs of the all the branches. Thank you so much. I would like to ask Ayush Sharma, GSEC SNT, and also event head for our event, to say a few words.
So, what a wonderful event was, a successful one, an exciting and so thrilling for the 5 days, 5 nights. Thank you for all of your participation from his side, and it was a great journey with all of you. And we will come up with new events in the upcoming future for all of you, and keep updated to the social media handles of IIT ISM Dhanbad for RoboISM Dhanbad. And thank you all. Until then, signing off.
Good evening, everyone. Yeah, we got a very great days. This 5 days we had. Maybe we have started some slow, but this event, which was gone throughout these 5 days, we learned a lot. And I would like to thank our college admins. They supported us. Like we would be not possibly conducted this event without their help and support. So thank you, admins. Thank you, our faculty advisor, Azun Dayal sir, for guiding us throughout the event. Thank you, participant, to make it this event much more big. Thank you, everyone.
With this, we would like to close this ceremony. Until next year, we'll be making this event much bigger next year. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
The coordinator and organizing team can stay.
Thank you to the all the guests and the jury and all the organizing team members, participants who have made this event a great successful. And we made sure that it is surely East India's largest robotic fest, that is Takshak'. And with these thoughts and with such enthusiasm and excitement, and surely some little thoughts of grief that the event is about to end, we will like to sign off. So do robotics, continue your skills and pursue careers in robotics. And that's what is our motto, to spread robotics cultures and basically diversify its skills. Thank you to everyone. Thank you once again. And that's all. Now we will sign off.
Remember the name Takshak'.
Yes, all hail Takshak'. I want all the coordinators, organized team members to say all hail Takshak' in unison, please. So all hail Takshak'.
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 Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
I think we can end this meet for all and
Yeah.
that.
Okay.